will see the what is meant by project identification. So generally, if you go on job, online or offline, so the project management triggered during 2002. Okay, especially the central government gave emphasis on the project management. Okay, so corporate projects, government projects, multinational projects, and whatnot. Okay, so here you just learn what is a project. Any work that is consisted within a stipulated period of time on pay and perks. The project may be a civil construction project or a what we can say software projects, okay, IT enabled projects, okay, and engineering projects. Not only this, agriculture is also nowadays becoming as a project. Okay, so these are the things. So by textually we will define what is a project management. So by definition, of course, while I was attending a central government job in MHRD, I was asked the first question, define project management. Okay, so but at the time just I was a fresher. Okay, just I was a fresher, and so I couldn't answer. So just I was blinking. So today is totally things are changed. Things are different for different peoples, but at different times. That is most important. What is the need? Need-based study, need-based learning, and need-based accomplishment of the projects are most important for the managers. All should become employable managers. Anyone can become a manager. Okay, an uneducated person can become a hotel manager. Okay, a tourist traveler, he can become a bus manager, anything. But academically, as an MBA, we should become a employable and empowered managers. That is most important. Accomplishing the project, and the study related with the thing is called as project management. How will you identify the project? You verify the second slides. Okay, so of course I have taught you many times what is a SWOT analysis, McKinsey 7S framework, and whatnot. Okay, so I have told you in the classes itself, I have given you the notes, so please go through it.